So again, one of the important things that I want to show you here is when you have a negative and the exponent is an odd number, it always stays negative. Okay? Any negative inside the brackets with an exponent that's an odd number stays negative. So you don't have to do anything with that. You can just say, I know it's going to stay negative. And then you multiply it. 5 times 3 is 15, so it's a to the power 15. And 5 times 2 is 10, so it's b to the power 10. And then you're done. Okay, with this one, now look at this one. It's negative again, but now it's an even number. The exponent is an even number, so now it becomes positive. Okay, so if it's negative, odd number stays negative. Negative, even number, it always becomes positive. Okay, so then you can just say 4 times 2 gives you 8. So you're going to have a to the power 8. And then 4 times 4 is 16. So it becomes b to the power 16. Okay.
Why is it not a negative? Why is a not negative?
A, like you want to put a negative there. Now, remember what I just said? If it's an even number, the exponent. Okay, it becomes positive. Because think about it, and what is a negative? Let's say we have negative 1 times negative 1. What's that? Positive 1. But what is negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1? Negative. But what is negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1? It's positive again. So when it's 2, it becomes positive. When it's 3, it becomes negative. When it's 1, 2, 3, 4, it becomes positive. If it's 5, it's negative. And so on. So an odd number always ends up becoming a negative, because you're multiplying a negative with a negative 3 times. Okay? And if you multiply it 4 times, it's positive again. If you multiply it another time, it becomes negative again. Another time, it's positive. Okay, so this one, now look at this one. Negative 2, now I made the exponent negative 2. Okay? So now, what is the 2? It's an even number. So at least I know this negative will become positive. Because negative 2 is an even number. So now I can just say, it's obviously I put in the 1 there. It's going to become 2 to the power negative 2. And then here, 2 times negative 2 gives you a to the power negative 4. And then the negative 2 times 4 gives you b to the power negative 8. Okay, so we just multiply it in. Exponents are really easier than learners think. You just have to apply the rules. Multiply it in. Now you check which one is bigger, 8 or negative 4. 8 is bigger. So we take the negative 4 out, make it plus 4. And then the 2 to the power negative 2. We don't want it to be negative, so we take it up and make it 2 to the power positive 2. So we're going to have 2 to the power positive 2. 8 minus 4 becomes plus 4. So it's a to the power 12, okay, the plus 4. And then 16, and then take the negative 8 out, it's plus 8. So it's going to be b to the power 16 plus 8 gives you b to the power 24.
That's the answer.
And that's it. In one step, you go to the answer from there to there. Add the exponents. Okay.